Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will see how to use the ultra wide angle camera in the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now to do that, just open the camera app. Now from here, just tap on the 0.5 icon over here. Now as you can see, this is how you can enable the ultra wide angle camera in the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now I will take a photo with the ultra wide angle camera, and I'll take another photo with the normal camera, just so you could see the difference. Now as you can see, the ultra wide angle camera captured more of its surrounding as compared to the 1x normal camera. And this is how you can use the ultra wide angle camera in the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.